Some of Poland's most endearing experiences are edible and drinkable. To savor this delicious dimension of Polish culture, I'm joined by my friend and fellow tour guide, Tomasz Klemek. Every time I travel in Poland, it seems vodka is quite important. What does vodka mean to Poland?
Vodka is definitely our national drink. We take it very seriously, we're very proud of it. Polish vodka is a brand that is renowned all over the world, and we do take our vodka very seriously.
So Polish vodka, does that mean Polish ingredients?
Polish vodka has to be not only made in Poland, but made from Polish local ingredients, and those could be either potatoes, so we have potatoes vodka, or grain.
So which, is this potatoes or grain?
This one is grain vodka.
Which do you like better?
I like grain better, that's my favorite.
So is there a ritual for drinking it in a pub or a bar?
Yes, there is. When we celebrate, we drink it with our friends, and we do mainly the shots. And we don't sip it like this, we just do the bottoms up.
Is that right? No sipping?
No sipping.
What if I sip?
Bottoms
What do
up.
people think?
Well,
Tourist.
if you want to be really local, you better do the bottoms up.
Okay, so really you just throw it right down.
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
And how do you say toast?
Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie.
And
do it.
bottoms up. Yes.
For dinner, Tomasz has promised to teach me how to make a classic Polish dish at his house. A dish that all Polish grandmas make. I'm learning how to cook pierogi. First, you knead the potato dough to just the right texture.
Like a Play-Doh. It's very relaxing. It's like going to a spa for your body and soul.
Is Grandma looking down?
I hope she is.
Then you roll it out, flat as a Polish
We
crepe.
want it as thin as possible because our dough is generally flavorless. What gives the flavor to our dish is the filling and the topping.
And cut out small discs.
Beautiful. Mm-hmm.
Making cute little pockets, you tuck in the cheese, onion, and meat filling. Then you seal it watertight around the edges.
Pinch it firmly. Do
There you
it.
go.
Has to be your first pierogi. Congratulations.
Nice.
And we just wait for them to float.
After a short boiling bath, they're ready to eat. In true family style, we enjoy a little sunshine in the backyard and a classic Polish meal, just like Grandma or Babcia used to make.
Dziękuję babcia, yes. I hope she's proud.